How do you find more problems to do in MyMathLab or the study guide? So you've got two options. So in either case, you want to go to this one, the course home. So you only see what's on the left here, but you want this MyLabs Mastering course home. Now you can do two things. First of all, you can open up the book, okay? And so if you open up the book, you can simply do problems out of the book, okay? And you can check them. The odd numbers, just like the back of any textbook you've ever had, are also in there. So you could simply choose to go, hey, I'm studying chapter 4.3. I want to go to the problem section. I'm going to hopefully get to the problem section eventually. And you can start doing these problems. Now, if you click on this though, these will actually open up to the exercises themselves. So like for instance, if I click on this, this is going to open up 5 through 12 into this. So then this opens, here's, it's thinking. Okay, so the probability that when a couple has 6 children, at least one of them is a boy. Okay, so this would be the 1 minus the probability of 6 girls, minus to get that. But you'd put it in there, and they're going to give you the answer. So you can literally do it straight from the textbook, and they are all linked right here. And you can see most of those have those. Okay, so down here, click on some more of those, and they are going to jump out. You can see now this is going to jump to these. I pick one, it's going to open up. I can do this problem. So I can continue. You can see still the view examples, the help, all this stuff, still the same stuff that was in MyMathLab. Now the other option you can do here, I'm going to close some of this, is if you go down here to study plan, up here I guess, study plan, okay? You can do this a couple of different ways in the study plan. So say I want to go, I'm going to go first to all chapters, okay? Because you might want to, I'm going to go to chapter 4, since that's about where we are here. And I'm going to click on 4.3 again. You can first have it simply quiz you. This is a great way to get a sense of what you are doing. Yeah, I know. And so you can see here then, okay, hold on a second. I wanted to just do the whole section, but it obviously doesn't want to. So hold on a second. All objectives. So pick an objective and it'll quiz you. But the other thing here it will do is these are all problems. These are the book problems. So for instance, I want to do another problem on this. Click on this. This is where I chose homework problems for. I chose a couple out of each section. This is all the options. So you can come back and do as many as you want. And again, the same options that were in MyMathLab when you did it are in here as well. And as I said, you can get it to quiz you on each of these. So like, okay, I want you to just quiz me, and it'll give you, you know, little bits to help you do that. So that's another way to practice each section. So you can either go to the textbook and go the problems that way, whether just, you know, open the book and start writing them down and check. And as I said, if you go to chapter contents and you go down here to the appendices, you will see, maybe, data sets. Okay, I'm flipping through them here. Hold on a second. Is it Appendix A? No, it's probably Appendix D. So this is the answers to select exercises. So it's the same thing that's in the back of every math book you've ever had. This is the odd numbered problems. And so if you simply want to do the problems out of the book, you don't want to do it through MyMathLab, for whatever reason, you can do it that way. And then here are all the answers written out. So hopefully that gives you some ideas on how to get a little bit more studying out of both MyMathLab, both through the book and through the study guide.